good news about Jesus as can to Luke chapter 17 from verse 22 to verse 37. And when the man where God pick, I go come. Then Jesus said to him special follower them say, the time I go come when only will long for the man where God pick come back, even for one day. People will tell us say, look, see him there? Or look, see him here? But no go. No follow them. The day the man where God pick come back, I go come in like when lightning flash across the sky and light up the whole world. But me have to suffer a whole heap of sitting first. And the people them from that time here, I go turn them back for me. Just like how people used to go on in a Noah time. And same so people go on when the man where God pick come back. People did a yam, drink and get married up to the day when Noah go in at the ark. Then the flood come and kill off the whole of them. At the same way the people them in a lot time did a go on. Them did a yam and drink, buy and sell, plant and build. But the day Lot left Saddam, fire and brimstone come down like rain from heaven and kill the whole of them. As same so it go happen on the day the man where God pick come back. Pan that day there, who they pan rooftop and have goods in the house, no fi go down forget them. And who they in the field, no fi go back for nothing. Remember Lot wife. The one where I try to keep him life, will lose it. But the one where we give up him life, we save it. Me tell you now, panda night there, two people we in at the same bed. One I go get take away and the other one I go get left back. Two women we are grind green. One I go get take away and the other one I go get left back. Them ask him, which part, Lord? Him say, anyway you have dead body, a deso jankro, I go gather. A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.